Here's how to make money online in 2022, and the best part is this might only take you an hour of work per day. This is totally passive income, and third, you don't have to show your face doing this. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So in today's video guys, we're going to talk about Animaker, the online video creation tool. Animaker is a great and easy to use drag and drop video creation tool that allows you to create a ton of different videos such as YouTube videos, trailer videos, tutorial videos, cartoon videos, book trailers, slideshows, marketing videos, and so on. Animaker has so many uses and it's a very in-demand tool as well, and I'm gonna show you proof of that later in this video. There are so many ways you could go about making money with the Animaker software. And no, it's not going to be about creating videos and providing this as a service for clients, even though this is a really good way of, additional way of improving your income. But what we're going to talk about mostly in this video is the affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, if you don't know what it is, it's when you promote other people's product and you earn a commission on every sale that you make. And Animaker has actually a very attractive affiliate marketing program. So if we check Animaker's pricing plan page and their affiliate page, you will see that on their pricing plan page, they have 4 different plans. They have a basic plan, a starter plan, a pro plan, and an enterprise. The starter plan, the basic one, starts at $20 a month, and then $35, and then $80. And basically, if we check their affiliate page here, you will see that if we scroll down all the way to this section, you see that they will pay 75% commission per monthly subscription and 25% per yearly subscription. Now, they do have different plans for the monthly and the yearly plan, but it is safe to assume that most people will most probably try out the monthly plan first. And as it says here, you would earn 35% commission per monthly subscription. So for example, if the basic plan costs $20, you would make $15 per sale, which is a really huge commission rate, especially in the affiliate marketing space. And for this 135, you would make around $27. So imagine you get like 2 or 3 sales per day. That's like $30 or $45 per day. And the best part is that this is recurring commission. So as long as those customers remain a customer of the platform, of the tool, you would keep making that money every single month. So if you get, let's say you sign up like 2 or 3 people per day for the basic plan, for example, then you would make $30 to $45 per day, every single day, every single month, as long as those people remain a customer. And as you get more and more and more signups, your passive income will start increasing. And this is a really great way of, as I've just said, creating amazing passive income. So how would you go about promoting this particular tool, the Animaker tool? So the first thing you want to do obviously is you want to sign up for that particular tool. You want to learn how to use it. Okay, if you're going to promote it, it's obviously the right thing to do to at least know what this tool is all about. Okay, and what I would recommend you to do is you could sign up for the tool. You could sign up for the basic plan, learn how to use the tool, spend like a few days or a few weeks, become very good at it. And then what you can do is once you've done that, how you can go about promoting this is you could go on YouTube. YouTube is, as you know, one of the biggest websites on the planet. It's actually the second biggest website on the planet after Google in terms of traffic. And you can basically create a ton of different content on YouTube for Animaker. As you can see, this video here has 2 million views and it is a tutorial video. It's just 15 minutes long, and you can see there's a ton of people out there that have also tried and created content around Animaker. But what you want to do exactly is you want to create a totally entire channel just about promoting Animaker. You want to create an entire channel where you just post content around Animaker because you want your channel to become like the authority for that particular tool, for that particular keyword. If you check out my keyword research tool here, which is a feature of the vidIQ Chrome extension that I'm using, you will see that every month there are 188,000 people searching Animaker on YouTube every single month. And as you can see, there's very low competition. So you can really dominate this particular keyword. Here's another one here, Animaker tutorial. 52,000 monthly searches on YouTube, low competition as well. Animaker review, Animaker video, how to use Animaker, Animaker tutorial, Animaker versus Powtoon, which is another tool used to create animation videos. Animaker video examples, 27,000 monthly searches. So there's different keywords that you could go for and create content around on YouTube. And the best part is you don't even have to show your face doing this. Okay, you can simply screen record your computer and then upload the content on YouTube. And as I've said, that's how you could end up creating really amazing passive income. All you do is just spend maybe half an hour or 1 hour a day creating a single video where you show people how to use the tool. Maybe every day you create a short 5 minutes or 3 minute long tutorial video or video example, and then upload it on YouTube. And if you do this every single day, eventually your views will start to build up and start to stack up, and you will start generating a ton of traffic to your affiliate offer. Now, obviously guys, this is not some BS quick way of making money online. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight doing this. This is a really more of a long-term type of business model that you can go for. It will take maybe 3 to 4 or 5 months before you start seeing amazing results. But you know, once you start getting views, once you start having a few videos going viral, the views will start building up very, very quickly, and you will start making a lot of sales. This is more of a long-term project that you can go for, but it really, really works if you remain consistent and you post content every single day. One bonus tip I can share with you is, once you've become very good at creating those type of videos and you've posted it on YouTube, some of the things that you can do, you can also provide this as a service. This is not the main point of this video, but this is something that you can also do on the side as well. So you could go on a website like Fiverr, and then you could simply create a gig where you would provide this kind of service, creating animation videos for other people and charging maybe $25, $30, $50, $120, $200, whatever. And you could also go on a website called Upwork, where you can provide this kind of service as well. Upwork is a website where you can find a ton of clients and freelancers providing different kinds of services. So this is something additional that you can do other than creating content on YouTube. But the YouTube thing is obviously more important, because this is how you will end up building passive income. So there you go guys, I hope you've liked this video and what I've shared with you in this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, I would really, really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, don't forget to subscribe as well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.